Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today is April 28th, and that means it's time to celebrate some exciting holidays. Did you know that today is National Superhero Day? It's the perfect day to dress up as your favorite superhero, or maybe even create your own superhero character. And in case you didn't know, we all have a little bit of superhero inside of us. That's true. But wait, there's more. Today is also National Blueberry Pie Day. Who doesn't love a delicious slice of blueberry pie? You can bake one yourself or visit your local bakery for a tasty treat. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making a blueberry pie with a twist, like adding some lemon zest for extra flavor. And finally, it's World Book Day. Take a break from your busy schedule, sit down with a good book, and immerse yourself in a new world today. So which holiday are you most excited about celebrating today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the fun holidays and celebrations. Thanks for watching and happy April 28th.